fastest land animals. Ten fastest land animals ranked. Number 1, the cheetah. The cheetah can sprint from a standstill to over 95 km per hour in under 3 seconds. The peak speed of a cheetah is roughly 120 km per hour, making it the world's fastest land animal, streets ahead of all other wild cats, and the fastest running animal. Cheetahs can only sprint at peak speed for around 60 seconds at a time, so the fun cheetah fact: while sprinting, cheetahs spend more time in the air than on the ground. So they're the fastest animal on land, but not actually on the ground too much when sprinting.
Are just tiny spikes. Another unique feature is their extreme speed, making them the fastest animal in the West.
Number 3, Springbok, 88 kilometers, 55 meters per hour. Number 4, Quarter Horse, 88 kilometers, 54.7 meters per hour. Number 5, Wildebeest, 80.5 kilometers, 50 meters per hour. Number 6, Lion, 80.5 kilometers, 50 meters per hour. Number 7, Black Buck, 80 kilometers, 50 meters per hour. Number 8, Hare, 80 kilometers, 50 meters per hour. Number 9, Greyhound, 74 kilometers, 46 meters per hour. Number 10, Kangaroo, 71 kilometers, 44 meters per hour.